Miss Chanel Preston.
Hi.
Hey, you're here to do a movie for Devil's Film, a gangbang.
Mm-hmm.
I hear it has some kind of story to it.
There is. Me and Lisa Ann are sisters. She is the goody two-shoe, and I am the bitchy sister. And we die. I get us in a car accident and we die. And I go to heaven and she goes to hell. And it's supposed to be the other way around. So I'm supposed to be in hell, but I get gangbanged by the angels, and she's supposed to be in heaven, and she gets gangbanged by the devils.
Wow. And how do you get the angels to gangbang you, or how does that work?
I think they just tell me that they're gonna fuck me. I don't think there was really like anything more elaborate than that. It was like, we're gonna fuck you, and I'm probably like, okay, because that's how it doesn't it.
Oh, so it's like porno heaven.
It's porno heaven.
Okay.
I think, yeah, I don't know. That's just what it is. They say, well, I'm gonna fuck you, and I say, okay.
Cool. Well, awesome, Chanel. Look forward. How many guys are you taking?
7.
7.
Mm-hmm.
Have you done that before?
I've done 2 gangbangs with 5 guys, but this is the first time I've done 7.
Wow. Do you think it's 7 because it is set in heaven?
Hold on 1 second.
So, ooh, good one. I'm not sure why it's 7, but we can use that.
Are you religious at all?
No,
That's probably good, huh?
I am not religious, and being religious is a deal breaker for me, for men or
Really?
women.
Wow.
They can be spiritual, but they cannot be religious.
What's the difference?
You can believe in God, or you can believe in other things, but I guess religion sort of follows like a specific set of rules for a certain religion versus just being like true to yourself and being like an ethical person or a good person, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I got that.
Yeah.
Well, all right, Chanel. I'll let you get back.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.